You open a browser to visit a website, but the browser is doing one simple thing. It asks the server for a page. What if you could ask to? Right from the terminal? You can. The tool is curl. Think of a vending machine. You put in a request, it works for a second, and out comes a reply. Curl is just like that. You give it a web address, and it brings the page back. No clicking, no tabs, just the raw answer. The command is curl. You type curl, then a web address. Let's break it apart. Curl is the fetch tool. Example.com is the address you want. Run it and the servers. Reply prints on your screen. That reply is the page text. The same a browser would load. Why does this matter? Because tools and scripts fetch data exactly this way. One line, any site, data straight to you. Try it right now. Open a terminal and type curlexample.com. So that is your first request. Next up, query parameters.